Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. This is going to be a short one because I'm going down to Folkestone to meet a fellow YouTube photography chap, Martin J. Smith. You might have seen me chatting with him on my photography channel. So it's just a short trip from Hawkinge down to the Folkestone Harbour Arm, which is where we're meeting. So I thought I'd knock one out, you know. That's what you do. Just gives us the opportunity to spy out any hazards, doesn't it? We'll do it as a proper, you know, Drive with Care video rather than me waffling on about life. But life can be good. It is now 9:45, so rush hour is finished. Got quite a few cars parked here. All visiting the doctors, perhaps. So I'm thinking at this kind of time of day, the road should be quite clear, just getting down to the Harbour Arm. Looks like I'm driving into the sun, doesn't it? Hopefully it doesn't make the screen a bit too glary. So we start in Hawkinge, it's a 30 mile an hour zone, currently doing about 28. I'm thinking I need to go down Tram Road, so I'll probably drive down Canterbury Road, or shall I go up the dual carriageway bit? Yeah, go down the Dover Road. Is it called New Dover Road? Something like that. I always put them on the screen anyway. Looking nice in the channel out there. We are in a national speed limit zone. It's funny that you come out of 30 into a national speed limit, and then after the roundabout it becomes a 50 mile an hour zone. Got a diversion going on there. I wonder what road is closed. Clear to my right. Indicate off. Into a 50. I've been trying to gear up my channels. I'm seeing who's waiting here. White car went, red car pulled out. Indicating right. Is it turning off now? Yes, it is. Yeah, so I've been concentrating on my channels, trying to get a kind of an ethos going in my head. What days do I do recording? My main channel, focusing on literature, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, because it takes the recording and the editing, they're quite intense. Photography, I'm now going to do a Wednesday shoot for a Sunday release. My Tudor travels, I'm going to focus on a Tuesday to record some footage for a Sunday release. Gives me plenty of time to do the editing Thursday, Friday. And in terms of driving, well, I don't need to have a regimented structure for that. If I'm out with a car, as I am now, I can just do a recorded journey, can't I? Right, into a 30 zone. Traffic seems to be building up. If you're not aware of the other channels, there will be links in the description below, just in case you want to see me doing something other than driving. Because I do, you know. I run 4 channels and it's all very exciting. So what are the St. George flag? I saw a Union Jack up on the hill. Is there some kind of sporting event going on? Or is everyone just feeling patriotic? Cooped up in my little office, doing my stuff. I tend not to be aware of what's going on in the world. perhaps I avoid finding out what's going on in the world. Keep myself sane. Right, Toyota's not indicating, Peugeot's not indicating, the Kia has. There's a car coming around without indicating. 2 cars now. That's it, she's indicated off, which is good. Harbour. You know we want to go to the harbour. How did you like my Derbyshire drives? Were they interesting enough? Because it's not Kent. I never know if I should block release them, you know, like I do 3 drives in Derbyshire, let's hit them out one after another, or whether staggering it is a better solution. You never know with YouTube. Do you just throw them out as and when you do them and flood the home pages, but then people might think, oh, not another one from him. But you're all great. You all leave likes and comments, and it's always a good thing, which encourages me, because obviously there is some interest for my drive channel. Trying to hold the 30. It's a funny thing. Car wants to race ahead. Got zebra crossing here, nobody waiting. Someone with a pushchair. Not attempting to cross the road. We'll go left at the roundabout. So we'll give a little indicate. Nothing behind me, nothing on the roundabout. Had to put the gilet on. It was really cold this morning as I got out into the car. It's beautifully sunny, but there's an icy wind. How can that be? Tram road. Shame the old railway line isn't in use anymore. But of course the station isn't a proper station, is it, anymore? It's just a hub for little shops and things. Well, that was an uneventful drive. Just a straight run down to the harbour. Maybe I'll knock out another later when I've finished meeting with Martin. Because he's down here. I think he lives up Watford Way or Luton or somewhere. He does tell me, but I forget. And he comes to Folkestone to vacation. People do come to Folkestone. Driving school, pulling out, and then not pulling out. Pedestrian. I wasn't racing down the hill, was I? And my white car with its magenta roof, I think is highly visible. I haven't brought my camera or anything. Martin's a photographer and he's like, shall we meet and do photography? But he didn't say anything like that this time. It was just, do you fancy meeting up? So I said, yeah, let's have a catch up and a coffee. Into the parking zone. Bumpy, bumpy. Pay on exit. Ooh, my license plate has been recorded. Wouldn't do to go fast here with all these bumps. I'm looking out for pedestrians. None crossing the bridge. Where shall I park to meet Martin? He said meet at the bridge, so I think I'll just park here. There we go, Hawkinge to Harbour Arm. Nothing spectacular about that, just a little drive. Puts another one out on the channel, and I'll probably knock another one out today. So another local drive, because I'm here. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Drive with care.